Two Mexican pork butts and a preacher walk into a cabinet for a smoke. Before you give me crap, that's the Mexican pulled pork recipe from Meat Church. And Sweet Preacher is from Fire and Smoke is the name of the rub. Let's get back to the party. Turned out just super great. Did 3 pork butts so I could bring some meat to my son in college, but used a mixture of these. Gotta get the fire started. Let's burn this baby. Firing up my Camacho. Nice big wood split. Some wood chunks in there. Night fire is so awesome. Got it smoking. Great basket, 5 inches tall, 6 inches wide, 14 inches deep. Links in the video. Hard to see it at night, but we are getting ready to roll on my Lonestar Cabinet Pellet Grill. Worked with David at Arizona Barbecue Outfitters to custom fab this for me. Super proud of it. Great smoke. 5 inches tall, 6 inches wide, 14 inches long. Link is in the description. There it is. You can see it smoking. Just came in from the prep kitchen, got my trash. That's the Sweet Preacher one. And my 2 Mexican butts. Let's load it up. Arlo's ready too. Nice fire, good contact with the charcoal. Double split. Fits perfect. Let's get it rolling. Don't forget your Lodge cast iron above there to protect it.
The next day.
Smells so good. Let's take a peek.
Oh,
Good morning, beautiful.
looking beautiful for sure.
How are we doing today? That'll do.
That'll definitely do. Look at that. Looks like an offset cooked that thing. But that's from my cabinet pellet. This last one isn't burnt. That's from all the honey hog and the peach and the Cholula I have on there. That's why it's a little darker. Man, looks amazing. Using that hog hauler. Bringing out the Meet My Mistress. Let's get saucy. Use the whole bottle. Braising with some apple juice. Gonna wrap it up. Crank it up to 300. Let it roll. Stuff is really, really, really good. They have a hot one. I think it's red-headed hot or something. But I like this sweet thing. I haven't tried the hot one. Just looks awesome. Let's wrap them up. Put them back in. Mission complete. Completed. Completely burned. Both splits in there. Just ash left over, so it's awesome. Solid bottom, so I didn't get that ash cloud I had before. Works perfect.
2 hours later.
Go grab it, let it cool for a little bit. Add a clean pull. Looks so damn good. Had to make some sandwiches. Use some pickles. Grab some extra sweet thing love. It's quite good. Got my Mexican pulled pork, first butt. Definitely not mad at it, second butt. Meal prep became meat prep using my JVR VAC 100. Packed it up so I could freeze and send to my son. Keep some for us. Had fun with the music. Especially the Mexican fiesta music. We'll see you on the next cook.